Hello, welcome back to Steam It with Steve. So we're moving on to the next one in our series with the 14s, with the Cupboards of Kithgard, and it's the last one. So we're going to go up here to the top, and we've got 14B, Cupboards of Kithgard B. Let's click on that one. Who knows what horrors lie in here again, so we'll click on play.
Code Combat.
And again, we're going to do it in 7 statements. So we're going to go 1 across, 1 down, 1 across, and then 2 down. And then we're just going to attack the cupboard like what we did before. So the whole point of this is that you can move to the cupboard first, and then we can go into our little loop. So we're going to go hero.move right, then we're going to go hero.move down, then we're going to do hero.move right again, and then lastly hero.move down, and then this one we're going to actually go down 2. Then we want to attack the cupboard, so we want to go a while capital T true colon, and then we're going to go hero.attack quotation marks cupboard. So that's going to access the function attack, and it's going to make us hit that cupboard. So let's run that and see what happens. Looking pretty good. How many of these guys are going to come for us? Cool. Pretty safe. Oh. Done and done. That looks like level 14's all over. So if we go back to the map, looks like we're up to, what are we up to? Number 15. Great, so we're getting towards the end. We've only got 15, 16, a challenge, 17, and combo, and then 18. Great, doing well. So hopefully you picked up something else with that. Again, we can put the statements first, and then we can put the while loop at the end. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon on Steam It with Steve. Adios.